Close on the heels of summoning of West Bengal Chief Secretary and DGP to Delhi to discuss alleged lapses in the BJP President JP Nadda's security, the Union Home Ministry has now asked for 3 IPS officers who were on duty to be transferred out of the state. Bholanath Pandey, SP Diamond Harbour, Rajiv Mishra, ADG South Bengal, and Praveen Tripathi, DIG of Presidency Range, have been called to Delhi on central deputation. This is the second instance where West Bengal cadre IPS officers are being forced out of the state by the central government. Earlier, Kolkata Commissioner of Police Rajiv Kumar was brought on central deputation after he sat on dharna with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in uniform. In May 2019, the Election Commission had ordered Rajiv Kumar to report on MHA duty. Police stopped protesting farmers from blocking major highways and taking over more roads into the capital as a 2-week agitation against agri-marketing reforms laws intensified. Police deployed in large numbers stopped groups of hundreds of farmers from blocking the main highways from Delhi to Agra and Jaipur. Some farmers were detained on the expressway to Agra, while other groups took over at least 2 toll booths and let cars and trucks pass without paying. Farmers squatted in the service lane at Ghazipur on the edge of Delhi, chanting slogans against the Narendra Modi government. They have said that on December 14, they will start a hunger strike. The Haryana government has written to the centre to have public representatives, including MPs and MLAs, listed among the priority groups for COVID-19 vaccination once it begins, Health Minister Anil Vij said on Saturday. He also said that the state government is making all the preparations in terms of building a database of priority groups, cold chain infrastructure, identification and training of vaccinators for rolling out the vaccination. He said, while those on the front line of the fight against COVID-19 such as doctors, nurses, paramedics, etc. are on the priority list for vaccination, the Haryana Health Department has also written to the Union Health Ministry recommending that public representatives who come in contact with masses during their work also be included in the list. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Saturday said that India was being tested in the 7-month-long border standoff with China in eastern Ladakh and expressed confidence it will rise to the occasion and meet the national security challenge. In an interactive session at the FICCI's annual general meeting, Jaishankar also said that what has happened in eastern Ladakh was not actually in China's interest, as it has significantly impacted public sentiment in India. Calling the events along the line of actual control very disturbing, the External Affairs Minister also said that they have raised some very basic concerns. Pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca's Russian branch has said on Friday that it would use part of Russia's homemade Sputnik V vaccine in further clinical trials, a major sign of recognition for a jab that has been viewed with suspicion by the West. Russia was one of the first countries to announce the development of coronavirus vaccine, which it named Sputnik V after the Soviet-era satellite. While the jab is yet to be completed its third and final phase of testing involving some 40,000 volunteers, its developers have said that the interim trial results showed 95% of the efficacy.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.